There is no secret prompt that you're missing, that someone else has that's making them do this 100x leverage that you're missing out on. The bottleneck moved from prompting to something else. And we're still approaching this as if it's an AI problem. Like we're trying to understand how to, I don't know, better learn this tool or do better prompting or having the right framework for approaching it. And while all of those things are true, you should have a solid understanding of all of these pieces and how they apply. You see, the bottleneck has moved from one's capacity to one's ability to think. More importantly, understanding the systems thinking, systems design, having a clear process and framework to implement and move forward. Maybe a better way to say this is that we've moved from the tools themselves to having better, or the need for better, cognitive architecture, the way we structurally put things in our mind. Think of it as moving from what can this model do to how do I help to guide its intent and direction and its judgment around this task, this process, this procedure, this thing that we're doing. I would argue this is probably why people tend to feel a little frustrated trying to leverage these current models, because of the difference in how they were versus how they are today. And for better or worse, there's really no band-aid to really help fix this one. It's inherently requiring a different way of thinking and doing everything that we do when it comes to leveraging AI and our work. Now, before you just try to tune this out, if you're using AI in any way, shape, or form, whether you're writing code, you're building products, or, I don't know, creating proposals, or trying to improve operations, or having a conversation in general with AI to get alternative thinking or a different perspective or idea towards something, or building spreadsheets or managing your teams and so on. If you're using AI in some way, shape, or form, this way of thinking is going to be for you, because it should help you to, or at least having this conversation, it should hopefully help you to think about using AI in a more structured, more efficient way. The first thing that we're seeing builders who are in the top 1% do differently than everyone else is that they're no longer thinking about how they individually go and build and maintain and control everything, but they then instead adopt sort of the mindset of an engineering manager or a PM in terms of controlling the overall process, and doing so not metaphorically, but operationally.